I will talk about how can you disable sign in with biometrics on your Costco app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on account down here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you click here on app settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you come here to sign in with biometrics, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's means sign in with biometrics disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.